Hi everyone and welcome to a quick Christmas project. It's Marina here and today I would like to share with you a new release by Knitweed Collections which is called Christmas Critters, and for you who don't understand what I'm talking about, Knitweed Collections are a digital company, and that means that they sell digital bundles in different themes and a variation of colors, and we can easily pay once to download them in our computer and simply print them as many times as we want. I will leave a link to Knitweed's YouTube channel down below in the description area to learn more about tips in the digital scrapbooking, as well as link to this beautiful kit. These were some cards I made, and here is the mini album, and believe it or not, we only need 3 A4 paper cardstock to make it. This mini is a beautiful idea for craft fairs, and it can be a very cute gift to all those little guys who love Santa's little helpers. These little critters are so adorable. This album has room for 9 photos, 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters. So please be sure to pick up the bundle Christmas Critters collection before Tuesday, November 23rd to receive the exclusive bonus pack for free with your purchase. For the envelope base, I printed on an A4 paper cardstock 200 GSM with no frills on both sides. I am going to cut it down on 8 1/4 of an inch on the long side, and I work in inches for that simply because on my envelope punch board I have used to work in inches. At the end you will have a rectangle cardstock 8 1/4 of an inch by 8 1/4 of an inch, or 21 by 21 centimeters. This punch board comes with a sheet that has centimeters on it, but I have lost it. I will find here where I have to punch, and as I am going for an A2 size, I will make the first scoring at 3 5/8 of an inch. I go for a 3D envelope, so I make another scoring on line B.
Christmas time without you. No, 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 no. It's been a few years now, and this cold town is not quite the same.
Now I am going to round the corners.
The flame can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to, with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No, 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 it don't feel right without you. No, 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 it don't feel right without you. Deck the halls with boughs
Here I made some photo mats 9.5 by 9.5 centimeters by cutting white cardstock, and I used my marker to make this stitching all around to add some interest on the mat. These are some of the sweet and totally adorable elements from the collection.
Fast away, the old year passes. La 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 la. How the new year lags and lasses. La 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 la. Sing rejoice all together. Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. La 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 la.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!